Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this very rare 2017 Infiniti QX30 Sport. The QX30s aren't really as much as rare, but what is rare is the Sport version of the QX30. When these were new, we maybe sold 1 or 2 new ones a year, so that means there's probably not that many pre-owned ones on the market. I have a hard time finding pre-owned QX30 Sports. One of my favorite versions of the QX30. It has very unique styling features on the inside and outside, unique to the Sport model. This is a one-owner clean Carfax one. We acquired from Infiniti Financial Services. We do have a complimentary Carfax report. Only 18,812 miles at the time of making this video. We have the original build sheet on it. This one is very nicely equipped with features. When this was new, this had an MSRP of close to $41,000. This has a sport leather package. That was a $1,500 option package, giving you a Napa leather appointed sport seats, heated front seats, then you get graphite suede-like material on the headliner and A-pillar. And then this also has the sport navigation package. Really cool color. This one's called Ink Blue, one of my favorite colors. So you have this beautiful two-tone leather. You have sport bucket seats, which are a little bit different than the other QX30s that you have. And then you have this really nice suede-like material. I think they also call it Alcantara. It's not real suede because real suede doesn't do well in cars. It's just a little bit too much moisture generally in cars. So, but this synthetic stuff is really nice. Beautiful black piano finish. You have a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. This is the only Infiniti you can get with this type of transmission. You have 1 clutch for the even gears, 1 clutch for the odd gears, so you can pre-select the next gear for very smooth and seamless gear changes. And it works just like a regular automatic transmission, but instead of having a torque converter, it uses automated clutches. There's that nice navigation system. We have a 360-degree around view camera. The Sport model also has this flat bottom steering wheel, which you can only get in the Sport version of the QX30. You have this nice contrast stitching, Bose sound system, nice big glass roof panel, and you do have a sunshade to dim things down. Nice synthetic leather on the dashboard with contrast stitching, as well as the doors. Keyless ignition with push button start. The QX30 is the smallest Infiniti in our lineup, and unfortunately 2019 was the last year. It was made in conjunction with Mercedes. It's largely based on the Mercedes-Benz GLA and CLA series of cars. Infiniti didn't really have another small car platform to use, so sometimes car manufacturers, it's pretty common, they'll borrow platforms from other car manufacturers rather than developing one from scratch, which can be quite costly. And obviously Mercedes has a reputation for making amazing luxury vehicles, so what better small car platform to base an Infiniti product off of than borrowing one from Mercedes. So that's how the QX30 came to be. Very curvaceous, beautiful body. You have some of the most dramatic body contours that you'll find in an automobile. You also have these nice sport wheels. We just put 4 brand new tires on it. Has cross-drilled brakes. Again, those brakes with the cross-drilled brakes are unique to the Sport model, the wheel and tire package. And then you also have the Infiniti insignia on the brakes as well. The front end styling has a little bit more of a sport looking front fascia, again unique to the QX30. Nice daytime LED lights. Look at this color combination in ink blue. You have these black accents on the mirrors. Really is a beautiful automobile. You'll get lots of looks and compliments wherever you go. Likewise, on the rear end, you have a sport rear bumper. You have a little bit more body contours, a little bit of a sporty look on the way the exhaust system is designed. This one has tinted windows. It goes really nicely with the blue exterior. All-season floor mats. Cargo area cover. You can fold down those seats if you need more cargo space. Pretty fun to drive. It has 208 horsepower and about 250 pound-feet of torque. It's not a heavy vehicle, so it's plenty of power. And it's a front-wheel drive vehicle, so when you tend to get a front-wheel drive vehicle of way too much horsepower, it can kind of overwhelm the vehicle and cause torque steer. So I think this is the perfect amount of power for a vehicle like this. It's very fast. Very entertaining to drive. Direct injection, turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. We find this engine in a lot of Mercedes-Benz products. We also use this engine for a little bit in our Q50 and Q60 product. Service and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. Beautiful color combination, and you'll know that you'll have one of the few QX30 Sports in the Pacific Northwest. And if you do happen to live in a different part of the country, these are rare. If you really like it, we can get it shipped to just about anywhere in the country. Contact us for more details. We sell vehicles out of state on a weekly basis. We can help you get it registered and licensed, help you set up transportation. The way taxes work, generally you're just going to pay taxes on where you live, if applicable, just as long as you don't have another residence here in Washington. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon, and have a wonderful day.